my people of the internet. Today I'm coming at you with a Boozy DIY. Okay, so I saw this on the Tipsy bartender, and the main ingredient that they used was powdered Kool Aid. Do you think that I could find anything powdered Kool Aid? All of the Kool Aid, for the most part, comes in the jammers or the squeeze thingies. Finding the powdered stuff is like next to impossible. Where I live, anyways. So I was looking at Crystal Light and I was like, well, that's full of chemicals too, and I don't really want that. I kind of want something that's more natural. So I came up with my own. I don't know if it'll work, if it'll taste good, or what will happen, but I think it would be, in concept, a great beach day punch with alcohol. Okay, to make this beach day punch, mine's gonna be raspberry. You're gonna need sugar, tea bags, lemon juice, a 4-liter container of water. Mainly we're using it for the jug, so if you have an empty milk jug, you could just use Brita water. That would be fine. And vodka. So disclaimer before I get started, I have no idea what I'm doing or if this will be good. Alright. So first things first, we are going to turn the element onto a medium-low heat. Then you're gonna open your jug of water. And we're gonna use 4 to 5 cups of water. Alright, so I lied. I used 8 cups of water. 8 cups. Like I said, I'm just winging it. And the next step is gonna be 1 to 2 cups of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it. Put that in with the water. I'm gonna do 1.5. A little extra. We stir this all around until it's boiling and all of the sugar is dissolved. We're waiting for the water to boil, and while we're waiting, we are gonna put the vodka into the container that I sterilized. Don't spill, don't spill, don't spill, don't spill. All right, it's all in there. Our sugar water is finally boiling. 8 cups of water, 8 tea bags, 1 for every cup. We're gonna put them in there and let it steep for 4 minutes. And we're gonna take these tea bags out. I'm not even gonna lie, it smells so freaking good. And 1, 2, 3, don't drip. No drips. We're gonna take our lemon juice, real lemon. I wanna do a couple squirts of that. 1 for good luck. Need to give a little taste test to see if this is gonna be any good or not. It's a hot shot. It's really good. My tea punch is all cooled, and I realized I don't have a funnel, so I'm gonna end up using this measuring cup to transfer it without spilling. Hopefully. Yeah, I totally spilled everywhere. Now we're gonna add a bit more water because it is very strong. I just spilled water all over the counter. Sweet. Shake it up. We need to try it again. See if it needs any more adjustments. Gonna need some more water in there. Much better. I'm gonna pop it in the freezer because it's gonna turn into slush, hopefully. Right, I have a tiny freezer, so mine's gonna just sit like that. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Take it out of the freezer. Boom. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body right. And then you have a big mess. All right, round two. Let's re-pour this. All right, and there you have a DIY beach day super slushy drink. Perfect for a hot day. Now all I have to do is wait for it to stop torrential downpouring here in Vancouver and head on to the beach. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy watching me. If not, that's okay too.